Hello everyone, welcome back to Malware Analysis 101 Foundation and Investigation Program instructed by Dr. Sadi Ali. In today's topic, we are discussing about the portable executable structure. So think of PE or portable executable as the DNA of a Windows binary. It tells you what the file is, how it's laid out, where execution begins, which libraries it needs, and where code and data live. Understanding the PE structures gives you immediate, low-risk visibility into the file intention and allows you to spot sign of packing, tampering, or stealthy behavior before you ever execute a sample. So we have this image here. That's a PE file. The PE file divided into two main parts. One of them is a headers. The second one is a section. In the headers, we have a DOS headers, PE headers, optional headers, and the section tables. And in the section part, we have a codes, import, and the data. So actually in here, as you can see, we have an import and executable address table, IAT, import address table, that contain the DLL and API function of Windows libraries that we will discuss about in a later lectures, inshallah. And from the section, we have .data section, we have a .text section, we have a .rdata, we have a BSS, we have a eData, we have a relog, we have a resource, and we have a iData. So actually, in the next slide, we are discuss about what's contained in a text section, in data, in iData, and the other ones. So the PE file format. So we have here text section that contains only executable code. So in the most of the parts, it's contained the main executable code, main executable file. And in all our data stores import, export information, and others read-only data. So please remember, the R data is read-only. It's not write, it's not execute. The .text is execute, the X, and the R data is R. It's a read-only. It's not even W. It's not write. It's only read. And it stores the export and import functions. The DLL libraries. So the DLL libraries or executable file could have import or export section. Okay, especially the DLL. And the .data, it's a whole global data accessible through the programs. So actually, the .data contains some variables, functionalities, classes that will be available or accessible in the simple term during the runtime. And the .resource or RSRC, it contains the resources. So resources could be strings, could be images, menus, icons, and mouse styles, mouse template, and so on. And in the most of the cases, the threat actor is embed the malwares or another executable file into the resource section, and in this case is act as droppers. So that's all in the section.